Ayos ba sa crab?
The TV?
Most dangerous. Yeah.
Can you say something? I said something.
Edmundo.
No, said something.
Something.
Yeah, okay.
Something.
Something. Sabi pa naman ng bata.
Sige pa.
Sa mga anak ni Carwell,
Apo.
yan ang kain ng tatay mo. Snow crab.
Nahinggit na naman yung punso ko.
Sosyal. Pasipod-sipod na ng araw-araw.
Yeah, ito yung manager eh. Itong dalawa manager. Yeah.
Nininili lang tayo.
Well, that's pretty clear. Man. Ito.
Yan ang ano, yan ang maganda.
Ito araw-araw niya kinakain.
Yan.
Ay.
Yeah, na-high blood na si daddy. Yeah. What do you say about Pacquiao?
Oh, fuck. Yeah. Wonderful. Yeah. Good job.
Huh?
You watch it? No, I heard about it. But did you watch it?
Yes.
Wow.
It's boring.
Oh, man.
Because the
You don't want to fight the other guy.
the other guy is forward.
Oh,
He's so
Scared.
that's crazy.
Hindi wanna be beaten up blue and black.
He should know what to expect. He's fighting the world's best boxer.
I mean,
So what can you say about Pacquiao?
that's where you got to eat your rice. Okay.
Yeah. So what's the secret of Pacquiao?
It's called,
Rice.
It's called Philippine brown rice.
Okay. Good. Rice and what?
Rice and pork.
And tuyo.
And
And
tuyo.
tuyo. Yeah, that's right. See?
How about you? What can you say?
Right fish.
What can I say? I'm full.
We've been fooled here.
He's full. F-O-O-L.
Yeah, he was fooled by the food.
Galit-galit na muna tayo.
Okay.
Oh, meron ding ano dito, kangkong.
Yeah, yan pa, naka-holy supper ka pa eh. Pakita mo. Oh.
Wow.
Holy supper. Oh, there's a small kid there. It's cute. On the back. Oh.
Meron din suso dito.
Mm. Mm.
Diba? This is suso.
Look at that.
Escargot.
What does it taste like? Like seafood.
Slimy. Kumain ka na nga, Ruel, parang awa mo.
Yeah, ito kasi pa ako kumakain ko.
Oh, wow. That's how you make sure you're aiming it right. Good stuff.
He loves
May tinapa pa rito, may oh. Yung tinapa.
He's good.
Saka itong suso. Sarap yung suso eh. Kaya naubos na. Sashimi, sushi.
Oh. Salaba.
Kikita mo yung sarili mo?
Bago pa rin nandyan ah.
Alam mo, nagsasalamin ka lang ah.
It looks like Ringo Starr. Come on, the Beatles. I mean, with the sideburns. Come on. Does he?
Okay.
All he needs is a beard.
Ano natin?
Dilibre mo na naman ito sa isang araw.
Mami, pwede ba makita ni Mami yan?
Yan.
Mami, hello ma.
Sabihin mo na kay mami mo.
Sana manood ka rin nitong YouTube.
Yan nga yan. Iniinggit nyo lang.
Ba, hindi ko rito kasarap ang buhay dito ah.
Ngayon lang kami nagpapasarap. Puro hirap. Tagahugas po ng puwet. Piti.
Yan sinumay.
Padala ko next month na.
Sige.
Okay ma? Pagpasensya mo na yung last na pinadala ko.
Yeah.
Kumain ka na.
Yeah. Okay lang ako. Ano ba yun? Movie? Oh, okay.